Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss different aspects regarding NPTEL translation. So let's start. We'll discuss mentioned points in this video. That is, what is NPTEL translation? Why it is required? Who does it? How it is done? Where it can be seen. So I will provide you the answer of each and every question. Okay, so be ready to learn all about NPTEL translation. NPTEL translation is an extremely useful initiative that allows the learners to access the NPTEL course content in 11 different languages, that is Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil and Telugu. So NPTEL got started on receiving the request of more than 1500 learners. Now the question arises that why it is required. What is the purpose of doing the translation in regional languages? The answer is equity, that is, equal chance of spreading knowledge to each and every learner. NPTEL focused on providing unbiased opportunity to everyone, irrespective of their mother language, in the language in which they are comfortable with. The motive behind the translation initiative is to enhance the skills and incorporate literacy packed with quality in the academic world. Another question that comes in the learner's mind, that who does it? Very good question. The NPTEL translation gets accomplished by selected NPTEL translators. There are certain eligibility criteria set by NPTEL for the selection of NPTEL translators. That is, they must have cleared at least 2 to 3 NPTEL courses in Elite to Gold category. Other one is that they must be working as a professor in reputed institution. So I will explain you the whole process of selection. NPTEL translation team sends the mail to the selected professors who fulfills the eligibility criteria. If that particular professor agrees to become the translator, then the translation team requests them to translate one paragraph that they provide for the team to check their knowledge regarding the same. Now, if the team gets satisfied, they appoint that particular professor as an NPTEL translator. Then the translators get the course allocations and they have to submit the same on or before the mentioned deadline. So the translation team gives the deadline also. So before that, the translator have to submit their course allocations with the proper documentation. After submission, the quality controller double checks the translated contents. So, dear learners, don't worry. Your present and future is in safe hands. Now, the next question is how it is done. As I told you earlier also, that the NPTEL translation team sends the course allocation mail to the translators with the mentioned deadline. Then the translators have to upload the translated document in the drive provided by the translation team in a proper manner along with the voiceover. So previously the translators have to record the translated content manually in their own voice and upload that in the drive. But now they are using machine learning tools for the same. So you can see how the translation process is improving. So I am also working as an NPTEL translator for Hindi language. So you can see that the certificate that NPTEL provides to the translators. So what you can see that they are providing their logo, Swayam logo, and then you can see certificate of appreciation. So they'll write your name and write that for translating the files of the course name and code offered by IIT Madras in your preferred language, Hindi language, as I am working as a Hindi translator. So Hindi, then hours translated, how many hours I have translated. So they'll mention this and the date. You can see different courses that I have translated. Now after they have started the machine learning tool that I have discussed earlier, so I am working on Chitralekha. So they are mentioning the machine learning tool also, that you are working on Chitralekha for the Hindi language. Edited hours, they are mentioning the edited hours and the course name with code. You can see this is for June. I have just inserted in my video the certificates, the recent certificates. See, for August, you can see for June, July, August 2025. So this is the format of the certificate that the NPTEL provides to the translators. So I am working on Chitralekha. You can see the web page that shows the introduction that clearly describes the introduction about Chitralekha, as it is an open source platform for video subtitling across various Indic language. It is a machine learning tool that assists in the translation process. If you want, you can see the demo also. You can watch the demo for the clear idea that what it is. You can just skip that. Okay, you can see the overall view, a short view. Okay. So if you want to learn about Chitralekha, you can do the same. You can browse in the YouTube video and see the demo. Next question is that where it can be seen. The translated contents can be seen basically on first one, the NPTEL course content portal, and the second one on YouTube. So I want you all to watch the upcoming two videos very carefully regarding the appearance of the translated contents on the NPTEL portal, NPTEL course content portal, and on YouTube respectively.
What is an intellectual property? Intellectual property relates to original ideas, results that emanate from research, and generally it covers some kind of critical business information. Intellectual property refers to that set of property that emanates from human creative labor. Now, when we mention intellectual property, we are specifically trying to define intellectual property as that is distinct from real property, for example, land or
ഹലോ നാനോ ടെക്നോളജി സയൻസ് ആൻഡ് ആപ്ലിക്കേഷനുകളെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള ഈ കോഴ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അതിനാൽ ഇതാണ് ആ മുഖ ക്ലാസ്. എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് പശ്ചാത്തലമോ ശാസ്ത്ര പശ്ചാത്തലമോ ഉള്ള ആർക്കും ഈ കോഴ്സ്
with an engineering background or a science background, and I expect to take you from very preliminary ideas of what nanotechnology and its associated sciences through a series of
તેથી આ રીતે આ કોર્સ ડિઝાઇન કરવામાં આવશે અને આ વર્ગમાં જે પ્રારંભિક વર્ગ છે હું કેટલાક વિચારોની માળખું મૂકીશ જેનેનો સાયન્સને તકનીકીને સમજવા માટે જરૂરી છે અને જો તમને નેનો સાયન્સને નેનો ટેકનોલોજીની ઝડપી ઝાંખી મેળવવામાં રસ હોય તો સંભવતઃ પ્રારંભિક વર્ગ તમને તે પ્રકારની ઝડપી ઝાંખી આપશે. તેથી તમે અહીં જોઈ શકો તો મેં કદમાં નાનું થાતું કાર્ટૂન અથવા સ્કેચ દોર્યું છે અને તે મુખ સ્તરે મૂળભૂત રીતે નેનો સાયન્સને નેનો ટેકનોલોજી વચ્ચેનો વિચાર છે. આપણે આ વર્ગને આ કોર્સમાં પ્રગતિ કરતા જોઈશું કે તેમાં આના કરતાં પણ ઘણું વધુ છે. હવે આ વર્ગની શરૂઆત થશે અને આ કોર્સમાં આપણે આ પ્રારંભિક વર્ગથી ઉપર છીએ જે હું અહીં લેવા જઈ રહ્યો છું. નેનો મેટિરિયલ્સ કેટલું જૂનું અને કેટલા સમયથી છે તેની સમજ મેળવવા માટે આપણે તેના ઇતિહાસને જોવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. કારણ કે તે છેલ્લા 20 વર્ષથી નોંધપાત્ર રીતે ચર્ચામાં છે.
So hope you understood all the aspects. If you have any query, please ask in the comment box. I am always available for the learners. So work hard. Thanks a lot.